Hey guys. Excuse the mess, but I live here. um, I've been living here for more than a quarter of a century, but my mom lived here with me uh, for that whole time. And she was very much a white wall kind of a lady. I always thought of my walls as a blank canvas, just waiting for me to do something. But I respected her so much that she got her way 99.9% of the time. Um, yeah, I installed all the floors myself, each tile laid by hand, by myself. Um, and this kind of kitchen, like the cabinets and stuff, were here when the house was purchased. Um, but this is so not me. Like if you were to see the inside of my head, it would be all sorts of color and probably have mirrors on the ceiling. um, so kind of coming out of my mourning period, my period of mourning after my mom passed away, I have not done anything major to the house. Um, uh, I did my little garden area, but that's outside. And I plan on planting a lot of plants outside, but yeah, I haven't done anything. I recently purchased this. It's tea kettle. This is very much a me kind of a color. And I was thinking the other day, talking to an old friend of mine, friend that I've known since childhood, and I said, I might be doing something drastic to my kitchen. So I am contemplating painting the walls kind of going for salmon apricot-y orange kind of color. Not orange, like more subdued than that. Softer than that. And then also like doing the walls and then this part, the same color, and then doing a darker hue, like a darker shade of this color here. Probably leaving the ceilings white for now because they have like a texture to them, like it's plaster up here. So the more moisture you add, the heavier the ceiling gets, and that can get you can have issues with plaster ceilings. But I'm thinking of doing my cabinets aqua and adding like frames, like some kind of framing, because they're very flat, wooden. There's no like dimension to them. And doing whatever frame I'm doing on there, whatever paneling I'm doing on there in this teal color to match my teapot. Aqua is my favorite color on the planet. And the combination of aqua and chocolate is my favorite kind of combo. Chocolate brown and aqua. So there are like some brown hints in here already that I kind of want to embrace the whole aquaness of it. And I want to create, either purchase something or something so that I can get like kind of declutter my countertops of all of my baking, juicing kind of stuff. Yeah, so I do also want to rip this up so that I can put down a more natural stone. And this is, this was here when the house was purchased, so it's like everything is kind of a little outdated. I was thinking of leaving the backsplash, but doing a kind of stenciling or hand painting on the tiles. Because I don't want to rip things out. If I was going to rip things out, I would rip out the cabinets and put new ones in, I'm trying to rediscover my kitchen on a slightly nicer budget. Oh, if you want to see some of so I got into crystal carving and did a bunch of these spheres because I wanted, this is flower agate and like a pink amethyst. But yeah, over the, course of my morning period, I've gotten into crystal carving and polishing. And apparently it's breakfast time. That's my cat. But yeah, so I'm slowly, I still think of my mom every single day, but it doesn't hurt all day. I've got a couple projects that I'm, thinking of doing and sharing with you on YouTube. I just haven't gotten started yet, but soon.